love of nature. Welcome to today's adventure. You okay?
There you go.
So, guys, I'm about to do what I love doing the most. Welcome to today's vlog. What's up, everybody? Officially welcome to Oloolua Nature Walk. So, today is on a Saturday. I don't know when, maybe you shall watch this a day or 2 days later. It's on a Saturday, and I've decided to come and, see this place because I love nature. So, Oloolua Nature Walk is located in Karen. Karen is in Kenya. I hope you're going to have a good time with me. Of course, as I exercise, as I mingle with my friends, because I love nature and I believe nature loves me. So I am doing the nature walk with 3 of my friends, and I'm going to be introducing my friends to you in a few. Are you ready for the first one? In 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Hello guys. Thank you, Lydia, for having me on your channel. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. Listen.
Nature.
I love the chirping and tweeting of birds.
I can be here the whole day
It's awesome.
and come back over and over again.
Yeah. So guys, keep watching this video so that you enjoy more of those sounds and also more of the serene view and ambience here. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for
Welcome
having me
them
on
to your channel as well.
Yeah, my channel goes by the name it's _Anmaura. Check me out. I'm Road to Success. Walk with me on this amazing journey as we meet new friends. Yeah, because like Lydia Simba, we just met on a chat, and here we are in person.
Yes, after I think like maybe a year or 2,
Yeah,
we
it's
finally meet
almost
for
a
the very
year.
first time. So, Anne, I wish you well as we do the nature walk. I hope you're
Yeah.
fit enough,
No,
and I hope that you're ready for the challenge.
I was born ready. If you know me, I went to CP Falls in Uganda. Hey, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, so enjoy the walk.
Thank
and
you.
all the best.
Yeah.
On to my left is the only gentleman. You know, we have to be guarded even as we do this. Please meet the one and only
Johnny Sword, JWTV.
Yes, Johnny, maybe you can tell people what you expect today, or whether you're geared up for I'm calling it a challenge because I know most of you have not been working out. And I want us to take the 10-kilometer trend because I hear there's 10.
Are you sure? Are you sure I've not been working out?
So, Johnny, I want my audience to know you, so maybe you can tell us more about yourself. And of course, introduce them to your platform.
Thank you, Lydia, for having me in your channel. My name is John Wambua, but my handle is JWTV. John is for JWTV. I'm a YouTuber. And it's going to be a great day, and we're hoping for the best. I'm geared up. I'm strong enough to take it. And I'm the security
Yes,
to
guys.
these beautiful lionesses around. The only lion. The only lion.
Remember, I'm a lion.
She's a
Okay?
lioness. You can't be a lion.
Okay, I'm a lioness.
Yes.
So, Johnny, for me is to wish you luck as we do this, because at the end of the day, we'll be back and I'll be giving a review of how all of them have performed.
I was born to do this. Let's do this.
Thank you, Johnny, and all the best.
Thank you.
The one and only Kobenata is over here. Kobe, say hello to my beautiful audience.
Guys, as always, the name doesn't change. Kobenata, the unique name on the YouTube.
And Kobenata, today you're looking very pretty and younger. You know, I've not seen Kobe for like, I don't know how many months.
But I'm young.
Today she has pulled up looking sweet 16.
So guys, we are here at Oloolua Nature Trail. And guys, we are expecting a lot. Me, I'm expecting to see monkeys because I've seen there are some monkeys there.
I would be glad if I were
waterfalls.
to see
Yeah.
giraffes. You know, me and giraffes, we have a thing.
Yeah, you
Yes.
and giraffe, yeah?
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much, Lydia, for welcoming me to your channel. I'm so happy to be here after a long time. After Mtoro, now you're back. So
yeah.
we call it Mtoro here when someone has gone for long.
Disappears.
Yeah. So guys, I go by the name Kobenata. Yeah, check me out and I appreciate. Let me know you're coming from Lydia Simba, yeah?
Yeah, guys, so let's do this and officially welcome to Oloolua Nature Walk.
Yeah.
We were born for this. Let's do this, guys.
Exactly.
So are we going to do the 10 kilometers or the 5 kilometers?
I don't know. We can do anything. I don't know because even the director.
I think I would like us to do the 10 kilometers. So there is 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers. I want to charge us to do the 10 kilometers. So let's do this, guys. Get lost with me in Oloolua Nature Walk. I'm super excited. You know, guys, I have not been on YouTube for a long time, but I'm back and I want to do this. I love nature. I feel at home. Let's do this. I hope to meet with giraffes and baboons. Yeah. This is my first time here. It's a place that is highly hyped. So do this. So let's do this. We shall be doing the 10 kilometers. Oloolua. Oh, this is giving me the vibes of that song. Ololufemi. You know you always on my mind. See, when you hear Oloolua, you remember that song for Ololufem. You always on my mind. Ololufem, Oloolua. 'Cause today I'm in Oloolua. Guys, remember we are doing 10 kilometers, so hurry up. Hurry up. We've even not done a kilometer and Kobenata is tired. I think after every 3.5 kilometers. That is Kobe.
Kobe over here, guys.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Now you know what you're saying. That's how it goes. We come at the first, then we get to 10.
You did your calculation well. Your math teacher was nice. You could. Yeah. So then they tell us probably they tell us the end of 5 kilometers.
Remember, we are in Karen. And Karen is in Nairobi, Kenya. Look at how beautiful the place is.
Yes, the ambience here.
Look. Who didn't want to be here? Who didn't want this? I feel like I am in my element now.
Guys, the ambience here is amazing. And the breeze,
Hello?
Hello.
I thought guys are coming back through that other route?
Which other? No. Me,
Oh.
I came back.
Or you're doing the, or you can either do whichever.
I don't know. Where is the 5 kilometers?
We don't know.
That is my problem. Very well.
We are following the lead.
Okay.
Yeah, but all the best.
So this one gets you back, eh?
Yeah. What you need to notice is that there are a lot of people here. Of course, most of them are first timers like us. I'm already sweating, guys. See?
And refreshing at the same time.
Still on the right track. Yeah, there are ants.
So bad. And take care of this.
Guys, just have a look, man. The only sounds you can hear here, of course, are birds singing, very cool breeze. Yeah?
You used to say what's in your village? That sound of a bird?
Oh my goodness. I can't remember. Good old memories. I think this is very ideal for a picnic. You come with your food. Gosh, just have a look at this place. I can hear the sound of a river. So guys, I'm gonna go swim in the river because I'm a village girl. Down the hill, guys. Down. And whoa. As most of over here has enjoyed the waterfall, you can see over there. Jaribu kuvuka huku. How did you guys do it? What happened?
Let me show you.
Hold this for me.
Hold this for me. Hold this for me. You'll never help me. Let me go. Just balance. Balance.
Lydia, here you go. Utaedit.
You coming?
Oh, this was tough. Coming here. We are all standing in the middle of the river. A beautiful waterfall. So that was a good session. We continue with the trail. I think maybe we've covered like over 5 kilometers. So let's continue with the nature trail. This place is super, super beautiful. And so far I've not seen even a monkey. I wonder. Nata, do we have monkeys here? Where are they? Or is it because we didn't bring bananas? Because I'm tired. Can you hear the sound of an aeroplane? While we are here sweating, some guys are up there, maybe going to their dream destination. And such is life. That one is almost giving up, as you can see.
Yeah. If you see me removing,
She's panting like a goat.
if you see me removing the top, no, this life, no balance. And then when you what is that? Really? That?
I ran when I went to Iten. Yeah, with you guys, you remember?
Yeah.
Iten. I ran with the athletes. So you're watching an athlete in farming.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for having been an awesome audience. I want to interrupt this vlog, and I'll give you the juicy part in part 2 of this video. I'll see you on the next one, guys.